Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mintaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to see or view recently opened files on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dyan yung File Explorer. Alright, and then pwede mo naman dito sa taskbar, kung nandito or nakapin dito yung File Explorer, ay pwede mong i-click lang yan. Okay, so pwede ka rin dito mag-search. Alright, so next, click mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so na-open na natin ang ating File Explorer. Kung paano ba natin i-view yung recently opened files sa ating Windows. So dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung home. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung home, so i-click mo lang yan. And automatic mga kaibigan, makikita mo na lahat dito yung mga recently files natin. Alright, so nandito lahat. Okay, so very simple lang at hindi naman ito mahirap gawin. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to view recently opened files in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.